Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, it is all nasty on the top. So what I've been doing is I left it for 48 hours. First I left it for 24 hours and then I flipped the engine the other way and then I ran it again for another 24 hours. So I'm gonna pull it out now and then I will take it out and power wash it and let you see the results. So yeah, let's disconnect it. Move all this out of the way. Alright. You can see right here. You can see how this metal that is corroded from the engine actually went and attached itself to the sacrificial rod or cathode, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's take all this out. This one as well. And then first time we're gonna see how this engine looks like so far. Oh wow. Oh wow. So yeah, oh wow, everything is, wow. I did not expect this, guys. I'm gonna take it out now and then I'll show you guys outside. Alrighty, so look at that. Look at that. You can actually see a bare metal. Wow. So yeah, let me wash it and I'll show you the final results, guys. So let's do it. Guys, this is the craziest thing I've seen. I mean, look at that. The bare metal. I don't know what this black thing is that was on there. Is it powder coated or whatever? But you can see how far this was able to take it off. It's crazy. I I did not expect this. I mean, this is just insane. This is crazy. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, it works. The whole thing is all cleaned up. I just saved myself probably $100 for taking it to a machine shop. The channels, there is nothing in there. See? You can see the metal is shiny almost in there as well for the water channels. I mean, and then inside here, this is I don't know what they applied, but yeah, it's crazy. I did notice though, the bearings, the old bearings, they get chips. So I think this is not working on aluminum though. So, but still super happy with this, guys. Super happy. Anyway, I know this video is probably was long, but yeah, I made a puddle there, and yeah, super happy about the results, guys. Anyway, that's gonna be it for now. My next thing is getting this all protected from corrosion. I'm gonna spray some lubricant, make sure that it doesn't corrode, and then get ready for the assembly. I really appreciate you guys checking it out. Of course, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.